Hello again, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener. Do you have an ugly fence that needs covering up with something? Especially those ugly chain link fences. I'm going to talk about 10 different kinds of vines that you can use to cover up that chain link fence. Now, we're going to talk mostly about chain link fences. You can also use these on wood fences, but you're going to have to build some kind of support system for a wood fence. So I'm really talking about chain link because chain link, it's easy to attach vines to. So let's get cracking on those ugly fences. First up is that black-eyed Susan vine. Oh, here's a really fabulous one. Blooms in the springtime. Just a really gorgeous, gorgeous little vine. Can cover, good 10, 15 feet of vine area. Next is a Hardenbergia. Now this is a fun purple vine, not as prolific, kind of nice for smaller spaces, is going to kind of give you that lovely purple. Now do be careful, the purple is a little poisonous, so best to use this in front yards, away from your dogs. After that, the mother of all vines, the scarlet trumpet vine, DISTICTUS, comes in a couple of different colors. This one is a big aggressive vine, 20 feet of fence. It will just chew it up, carve it up, and in the springtime have these fabulous flowers. Hummingbirds love these babies. They are just fabulous, fabulous for covering a big fence. My personal favorite, the star jasmine. Very fragrant in the springtime. Needs a little support to get going, but then it will cover up that fence. And in the spring, you have these wonderful white flowers. Just fabulous. It is my favorite fence-eating vine of all the ones on this particular video. Next, we have the passion fruit vine. Hey, you want some fruit on that vine? You can grow fruit on the vine. Passion fruit, nice flowers too. And then the flowers become that really yummy fruit. So try that out. All right, next one is the wisteria. Now this one's good for arbors, wood fences, metal fences, all kinds of stuff. Again, the flowers are a little poisonous and the seeds are a little poisonous, so don't use it around dogs. But it's just a gorgeous springtime blooming fence. Pink jasmine is a very easy to grow. If you have a fence that's in some soil that is bad soil, pink jasmine is really great for that kind of stuff. It is a tough and, again, fragrant in the springtime. And then last on our list are climbing roses. So climbing roses are really kind of fun. Some of them are more aggressive than others. I'm going to show you my 5 favorite. This is 4th of July, which is probably my favorite of all the climbing roses because it's just a gorgeous flowering plant. As you can see, this one was actually run over a trellis. Once it's up and over, it's a really kind of easy, low maintenance. This one does not get a lot of disease. It's a really nice one. Dublin Bay is another really wonderful red rose. Lady Banks becomes a very big rose. Yeah, that's a good one for 20 feet. Only blooms in the springtime, does not as prolific a bloomer. And of all the climbing roses, probably the easiest to grow is the climbing Cecile Brunner. Very low maintenance, and yeah, it can get big, so make sure you give it some big space. But it's just a very easy to grow rose. You don't have to do a whole lot of fussing and feeding and pruning. It just has all these many, many wonderful little pink flowers in the springtime. So there you go. Those are 10 vines or climbing type plants that I think are great for covering up those ugly, ugly fences. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.